Hey y'all, welcome back to this week's video. Today we're going to be cleaning before I go to work. I have a lot to get done so that the house is just ready for the weekend while I'm gone, because that's when I work the majority of the time. So today is actually a Friday and I'm just going to power on through cleaning these main living areas so that way I don't have to worry about it. Now, even though this is pretty much going to be a full day of work for me with all this cleaning before work, it's definitely something that just needed to get done, so I wanted to go ahead and tackle it. So I hope you guys get lots of cleaning motivation from this, especially if you are a working mama too, because sometimes, you know, even though we have to go to work, we have to power through those crazy cleanings so that way the house is at least together while we're gone. I also want to thank Homasy for giving me this vacuum to share with you guys. This vacuum, actually, I know you guys have seen me use this in other videos. This is the vacuum that I let the kids use because I don't like them using the clunky vacuum that I have, because I've yet to get like a newer type of vacuum. So this is the one that they use to clean up their mess, and I'm just using it here to get some corners in the hallway because you guys know we're renovating the house here and there, updating some things, and we don't have the little quarter panels in, I think they're called, the little shoe panels that keep the stuff from getting in between the baseboards and the floor. So I just need to clean up these crevices every now and then, and so this was perfect to help me do that. So it's super simple to use. It is rechargeable, handheld, so it's cordless, obviously. Super simple to empty. So Jordan usually does this all on her own, but like I said, I just took over today. So if you guys want to check this out, I'll have it linked down below in the description. And let's get into today's cleaning motivation. I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the living room, I clean the hall, and then I'm going to be cleaning the bathroom.
I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes. I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of plan. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now? I gotta realize that you what we could do. Around the world, say to Peru. We lie in bed till it's PM, eating breakfast when it's dark again. Let us be partners in crime, you and me as Bonnie and Clyde. We've gone so long in the afterglow. We feel a song on the radio.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. 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 Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. Me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.
Head underwater, falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. I don't know the reasons, I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check down below in the pinned comment section, because I'm going to get a conversation going with you guys down there. I have a few questions, and I will definitely see you guys later. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you're new here. I make videos each week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.